Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to update you guys on that big spear that was coming out the center that was the biggest that I've ever seen before. This is its third one that's coming out. It's a huge center spear, one of the largest that I've seen on this windmill palm. It's about the same size as the trunk, maybe if not larger, so that's pretty cool. As you can see right up there, there's definitely something new that's popped out of our windmill palm tree. It sticks out so much. You can definitely tell that it's just something that's never been popped out from this palm tree. So let me go ahead and pull up a little bit closer just to give you the full aspect how it is. It's honestly mind-boggling how big it is. I'll put my hand down just as a reference, but it just doesn't do it any justice. The fronds itself come all the way back to my elbows, so that has at least about 2 feet on it. I'm a 6-foot person, so I definitely have a good amount of length between my hands and my elbows, but this is the second one that popped out, and it's just, I mean, it's really stunning. Compared to this one, this was the one that popped out maybe late April. The difference between this one and this newest one is just really stunning. And my favorite part about it is how it's so deep green. It just has absolutely no imperfections. Just goes to show that it's actually very happy here in Central Virginia. So honestly, when I first got it, I could probably put in a couple clips, but it looks so small and just not the healthiest. I'm happy to see it doing well. Its fronds are just popping out. I get maybe about 2 to 3 per month, which is, hey, I can't really ask for anything better than that. But we have a center one coming in, also just as big as the previous one, and a smaller one coming in as well. But here it is, June, I want to say today is June 11th. The trunk itself, you can see how much it's grown. The petiole, that was the first one that I got when I originally planted it. This was the center one. So all of this has been just about to be our second summer. That's all the growth that has accumulated since then, and it's quite a lot if you ask me. And then you also have that trunk that has just widened so much. It used to be maybe this big, maybe half of the diameter it is now, but it's just grown so fast, especially this summer. The first summer when I got it, it did grow maybe like 5-6 fronds, but I think it was mostly focused on widening the trunk. So I didn't really get much vertical growth the first summer I planted it. But now, I mean, I think that frond really just goes to show how much of a vertical gain we're about to get this summer. So I'm excited to see where it takes us in the next couple of months. I hope you all stay tuned, and I can't wait to show you guys how it grows. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to stay tuned in for my second palm tree that I planted. But y'all take care. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.